Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to check Snapchat password on iPhone. So you must be open the Snapchat. So now from there you will have to go back and open the settings and scroll down to find password. So from here you can only see password when you save save all password as device. So right now I don't have to save all password to device. So this is for all saved password on device. If you saved all password on device, you will be shown here. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.